Hello everyone. So first take a paintbrush or a sponge and make a circle right in the center of your page and then draw a stem to the circle. Then take some red paint and then take another paintbrush and spread this red paint and then orange, yellow and followed by blue. Add some eyes and a nose and a little mouth to the circle in the center and add some ears at the top of the head with some sprinkles and lines that will then form the whiskers. Add some grass at the bottom and you have yourself a cute little lion. For our next craft, take a little sponge again and then dab it with green paint on a white paper, followed by blue and then yellow in different shapes. Make sure to have stuck some tape on the paper before starting your painting. Once finished, you may remove the sticks of paper or rather the tape and then you'll be formed with certain lines. You may then decorate it as you please. We have chosen to make little fishes all over the place and we've added eyes, little tails, fins and other such decorations and patterns all over their body. You may choose to do the same in different colors. Add some grass at the bottom to show the underwater and you may also add some bubbles on top. You have yourself a nice underwater scene. For our next craft, take a sheet of paper in blue, dab some paint in white and then add oblong bodies on the side. Make sure both of these bodies are in white and then make strips of black all over it. Add some ears and then some hair in the back. We will be making zebras. Make sure the nose is completely black and then add ears on both of them as well as some eyes. Following this, you can add some trees, some leaves, add leaves of different colors just to add more color to your painting. You have two zebras in love. Next, take a white sheet of paper, dip the paint in orange in a paintbrush, make a bell shape as shown above. Then add ears to this bell shape and add a body and a fluffy tail. Color the ears in beige and also make the mouth in beige. Add white dots to make the eyes and then also color it in black and add a black little nose and a mouth and some eyelashes to your form. Line parts of this drawing with black to add some highlights to the entire drawing and then add grass to the bottom. You may also add a tree or two in the side with leaves and some flowers to add more character to your painting. Repeat this process and add as much nature as you'd like to your painting to add more color. You may also add some clouds at the top. For our next craft, take a blue sheet of paper and then take a sponge, dip it in white paint and then make the figure as shown above. Draw a circle first and then draw an oblong body. Take a toothbrush and spread the edges to make it look like fur and then add two more blobs of paint to make the eyes. Take the toothbrush once again to make it look like fur. Dip your paintbrush in beige paint to make the eyes and the mouth. Take the sponge, dip it in black paint to make the eyes and then add a little bit of blush with the pink and add a cute little mouth at the end of it. You may also add a collar in red or any other color you want. You can also convert this collar instead into a scarf and add the sheets at the bottom. You can make Christmas themed and add little white dots at the top and even add a cute little Santa hat to your little bear. Following this, you may add little snowflakes in the background to symbolize the snow and the cold weather that is in the current scenario. Do this all over your painting. For our next craft, take a white sheet of paper, take the paintbrush or the sponge and make a circle in 3 different places or more if you'd like. We will be making beetles, so add some black spots in each of the beetles' bodies. In the side, you may add some flowers, so dip your paintbrush or your sponge in yellow paint and then add petals to each of these circles. Add some leaves and some vines. Thank you for watching.